when there's a difference between the temperature inside your car and the outside air. Moisture builds up on the glass, and that's what creates that blurry layer. The good news is you can fix it in seconds. Step 1. Turn on the fan using the fan speed knob. Start at a medium or high setting so you can push enough air toward the windscreen. Airflow is key here, so don't keep it too low. Step 2. Press the AC button to turn on the air conditioning. A lot of people skip this step, but it's very important. The AC removes moisture from the air inside the car, which helps clear the fog much faster. Step 3. Set the temperature knob to cold. Cold air works better for fast fog removal because it helps reduce moisture quickly and improves the efficiency of the AC system. Step 4. Set your air vent control knob to direct airflow to the windscreen. This focuses all that dry, cool air directly onto the glass. Step 5. Press the rear defogger button to remove fog from the rear windshield. This activates heating elements on the rear glass to clear condensation and improve your visibility behind you. Within a short time, you'll see the fog start to disappear. If needed, increase the fan speed slightly to speed things up even more. Quick tip: avoid using only hot air without AC, because it can sometimes make the fog worse if there's too much moisture inside the car. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more simple car tips that make your driving safer and easier. Thanks for watching, and stay safe on the road.